tumekataa kupiga magoti.
Family, mawakiri hamwe na gikundi kia aruiriri a ihoto cia umundu ni megwikinyitie ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Pangani GUKU Nairobi kuria muruiriri wa ihoto cia umundu Boniface Mwangi ahingiritwo riri etereire gukinyio igoti-ini muthi wa RUCIU na thitango cia utoi. Kuringana na ruhonge rwa DCI, Mwangi aikitio ngono agikuruhanio na kurugamirira kibeca ciiko cia utoi hindi ya mururungano wa mumo wa Gen Z tariki 25 mweri muhituku. Ikundi ici ni ciukireire thirikari kiuga Mwangi anyitetwo mugaru na watho na maabithaa aria maramuikirie ngono matirari na warandi ya kumuikia ngono.
What the warrant had said was that it was many things, my goodness. They had said it was money laundering, it was arson, it was robbery with violence.
We do not know why he was detained, and yet there is no warrant of arrest that accompanied the order. And we can confirm he's here, he is in good health. He was also taken away this morning and taken to the DCI headquarters to make a statement.
Muthi wa ira mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 cia HWAI-ini niguo Boniface Mwangi arahofaneirio ari gwake mucii mwena wa LUKENYA kaunti-ini ya MACHAKOS ni maabithaa a DCI na guikio ngono.
We do not know why they are saying now that they are coming out with terrorism charges, but we will deal with this head on.
Thutha-ini ucio maabithaa aya ni maracokire kuhofaniria wabici ya Mwangi iria iri Mageuzi Hub mwena wa Hurlingham GUKU Nairobi na kuhithukia indo itiganite ari hamwe na laptop igiri, mihuri ya kambuni ya Brave Media Limited na Carriage Limited, mikebe iri ya riera aria kuruta maithori itari mihuthire, gikonde kia rithathi huthiku gatagati-ini ka indo ingi.
So I think they're just trying to find things to pin on him. They will use whatever they can. We know that Boni has always stood for human rights. He's always stood for what is right. He's always stood for good governance.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi gia kuruirira ihoto cia umundu kia Vocal Africa niwe Hussein Khalid ni ugite matigwetikira kuguoyohio kana kwenderio guoya hindi iria mararuirira ihoto ciao.
We want to assure the government that no amount of intimidation, no amount of threats will deter us from exercising our constitutional guarantees.
Oho, Khalid ni amenereirie President William Ruto na kiria ugite ni arahuthira uru wabici ya thitango cia muingi ODPP kuhingurira muingi thitango cia utoi hatari na wuira.
The ODPP must exercise Article 157 of the Constitution to make independent decisions on what to charge. We believe the ODPP is being coerced by the executive to push on with this kind of charges.
Mwangi anajulikana duniani kote as an activist, as a human rights activist. Anataka ashtakiwe, awekwe mashtaka kwamba ndiye alikuwa anasimamia mambo ya kuchoma manyumba wakati wa maandamano.
We have over 100 young people in police cells being falsely accused under this terrorism act. There's a young lady in Langata prisons as we speak, being charged with 130 million worth of items being stolen from Naivas. This young lady was at home. She was picked up because she looks Gen Z.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Gathoni, Wanganga.